بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 25 in your books. This is page 25. Hurry up, all of you open it. Okay, students, on page 25, this is question 5. And question 5 is write the following in ones and tens. Write the following in ones and tens. What we have to do, students? We have to count all these circles, that how many circles are these, and then we will divide them into tens and ones. Okay, there is a separate column for tens and there is a separate column for ones. So let's start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Students, when we have 10 ones, okay, these are a pair of 10 ones. When we have a pair of 10 ones, it means a 10. Okay, 10 ones is equals to 10. Okay, students, how many ones are these? These are 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. Let's count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many ones are these? These are 10 ones. Okay, so a pair of 10 ones make a single 10 like this. Okay, let's put a tick over here. Let me show you. Okay, students, now you can see a pair of 10 ones make a single 10. Now another pair of 10 ones. Count them, students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A pair of 10 ones makes one single 10. So we will put another tick over there. Okay, now on the second one we have put a tick over there and also a tick over here. Now we have the third pair of 10 ones which makes a single 10. So we will put a tick over here. Very good. And a tick over here. Okay, student, so we have cleared that there are 3 pairs of tens. 1 2 3. You can see 1 2 3 3 pairs of tens. So there are some more ones, but these are not total tens. Okay, let's count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But they are not tens. They are 7 in numbers. So we will write them like this, separate in the column of ones, because they are not tens. ये tens नहीं बन सके. These are 1 digit numbers, because altogether इन्होंने एक 10 का पेयर नहीं बनाया. That's why we will write them separately. They are 7 in numbers. There are 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 ones. Okay, so these are 10 threes. 1 3 2 3 3 3. Okay, and this is a 7 ones. So we will write here 7. I hope, students, you are getting this. Now we will do the next part by ourselves. Okay, now first of all count these ones. How many ones are these? ये कितने ones हैं इस पेयर में? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These 10 ones make a single 10. So what we will do? We will make a 10 over here. Okay students, now you can see this is one pair of 10, this is second pair of 10, this is third pair of 10, this is fourth pair of 10. In the same way I have written here one pair of 10s, second pair of 10s, third pair of 10s, fourth pair of 10s. Okay, now count these because these are not 10 in number, so we will count them again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 ones, and we will write them separately in the column of ones. Okay, write down with me. Okay, now you can see I have written them separately, that they are 6 in number. They are 6 in number. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay students, and if you want to confirm your answer, that your answer is correct, if we take an example and this is 46, so let's count how many ones are these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46, and our answer is correct. It is 46. Okay students, now we are on part C. Are you enjoying the class students? I hope you are enjoying the class. So part C is, now we can easily say that this is a single pair of 10. Okay, now we can easily see. So this is one pair of 10, and we will write here, what we will do, we will write here 10. Okay, and this is the second pair of 10, this is the third pair of 10s, this is the fourth pair of 10s, this is the sixth pair of 10. So how many 10s are there? 6 10s. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 pair of 10s. So what we will write here? We will write here 6. Very good. And how many are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 ones. So we will write them separately. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6, and we will write here 6 ones. Okay students, and if you want to confirm the answer, you can count all these ones, which will be 66 in total. So is this clear how to do this exercise? Okay students? Yes, very good. So now we are on question 6, which is also very easy. In question 6 is count ones and tens, then write its value. Tens, ones, tens, ones. How many tens are these? 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. How many ones are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are 8 ones. How many tens are these? 1 2 3 4. These are 4 tens. So we will write 4 here. And how many ones are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So we will write 8 over here. And the answer is 48. Okay students, this is the answer. Now the concept is clear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Okay students, now it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to complete this page number 25, and then you have to take the picture and share your picture of this homework in your WhatsApp group. Complete this page and then share the picture in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, take care all of you. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.